Hi friends, good evening all. So we are on day 8 today in the series. Yesterday we spoke about what is an ideal mix when we are looking at investments, particularly in insurance. Today we will be talking about what's an ideal mix that we should be looking at when we are looking at investment, particularly in mutual funds. Now that's a very known topic. People get to see in TV channels that start early investments in mutual funds, but there is a math behind investing, and ideally we should stick around with this. Is what I personally feel. Your 20% of your income, that is your monthly income, you should be looking at contributing to mutual funds. The study says so. Also, there are two types of portfolios that you actually come across. One is more conservative, when you are not prone to risk, and the other is more aggressive, so to say. So, which is more exposed to equity, which is more exposed to volatility in the market. Hence, there are two kind of portfolios you should be looking at. There is a usual tendency that people want to diversify their mix when they are looking at investments in mutual funds. In an ideal scenario, you should be looking at not too many diversification. Just stick to 3 to 5 mutual funds and don't go beyond that. That's an ideal expectation. When you diversify too much, managing that probably can be a little difficult, and hence stick to top few and focus only on improving them, or looking at how is that particular fund performing, rather than having a larger spread. Even if that is the case, we should look at one umbrella, and within that you can have a diversification, but holistically look at 3 to 5, not beyond that. Now, coming to what is it that you can start with, as I was again telling, whatever is your monthly income, you should target 20% of your income, your monthly income, that can go into mutual funds. So earlier you start, better it is. You are in full control of what kind of funds. It's a long term thing that you should be looking at whenever you're looking at an investment, and hence start early always. As I had been repeating, be it any type of instrument that you're looking at from an investment standpoint, whether it is stocks, whether it is Hello Nandan, whether it is stock, whether it is mutual fund, whether it's insurance, start early, because your chances are far lesser in terms of, especially when it comes to insurance or any health plan, so to say. You have lesser premium that you will shell out when you're starting early. There is a math behind how your entire calculation of premium gets into picture, and hence it is always viable to look at starting early. So I will again talk about that point. Start early. When you're investing early, you avoid misery. Stay focused, look at investing on time, and keep these tips in mind so that you are able to plan yourself. These are very intricate, we will discuss much in detail. Till then, good night, take care, and stay invested.